Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app and clicking on it. Following that, if you never used it before, select Allow in the pop-ups and download any needed language updates. When you're done, to start your recording, click on this red button at the bottom right corner. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to the same red button. If you wish to delete your recording right away, hit delete over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to add a title, pause your recording first. Click on Add Title at the top and type in wherever you wish to. You can also choose Add Location at the bottom right corner of a title pop-up. Select while using the app or only this time and wait. Then you can unpause your recording right away. To end it and save it, click on Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. If you want to delete it, go back, hold it, and tap on this little bean at the top right corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!